Orang ediri mo odom poto diklo na pista hoche onur ko tunkin atakor bhirir ko dekhone please pasta ke na uthi koro.
May Allah accept our fasts and prayers.
Indeed, this meal is a blessing after a long day. Peace be upon you, Ramadan Mubarak, and upon you be peace.
ये भूख प्यास ये सख्ती तो एक सहारत है जो वक्त